How to delete a Discord server. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can delete your Discord server, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you'd like to delete your server on Discord, it's actually quite simple. Just go ahead and open your browser. You can go to discord.com, or instead you can open the Discord application. Once you've done that, simply just go to the server that you would like to delete. Once you go to the server you'd like to delete, you'll find the server name. From the server name you'll find a drop down arrow. Make sure to select that arrow and just go to this option known as server settings, as you can find here. Once you go to server settings, you should be able to see this, but if you scroll down on the left hand side under this topics tab, if you look at the bottom of the screen, you'll find delete server option. So make sure to select that delete server. Now remember that if there are members in this server, you have to transfer the ownership, because if you're still the owner, you'll not be able to do so. So if you don't know how to do that, we've also made a video on that. But now for now, just enter your server's name over here. Once you enter your server's name, hit the delete server option, and then your server will get successfully deleted. This way you'll be able to delete your Discord server. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.